So let's say, for example, you want to prevent visitors from right-clicking on any of your images or any content inside of your web page. Like for example, this one up here, this image, I can right-click, save, copy image. Yeah, but this one doesn't have that. You can see here up on the right when I'm clicking, the right-click doesn't show up, but it shows up on this one. So in this video, I will show you how you can add this feature to your store, and this will prevent users from right click, and this also works in mobile on mobile phones. So yeah, you can even go as far as adding this feature to your section. So right now it's not disabled, and when I disable it, I'm not able to use that right click feature. So I'm going to use the new theme, the Dawn theme. I'm going to show you guys how to add this code, and it's just a few lines of code, really simple, and I'm going to explain what this does and how to use it. And it's not really difficult. If you don't have any coding experience, that's fine. Just follow along and just copy and paste, and I'll also add a link in the description so you can get this code and just use it inside of your themes. So as you can see here, I'm able to right click on these sections. Well, these two are the same, so if I apply it to this section, it will also have an effect this one, the bottom one. So let's jump into our code editor. It's already open. Let me just refresh it because it always asks to be refreshed. So the first thing is locate this file called theme.liquid. So this is in your layout folder, and what we are going to paste these two, this one and these two lines of code in there. So I'm first going to copy this first one, and then right above or below, not above but below the head tag, just paste this code right there. And I'm going to also copy this one, and I'm going to paste this code. I'm going to paste it right above the closing body tag. So if you want to find a tag or any word or element inside of a page, especially here, the easiest way is just select Control F. Wait, just select the page first, then Control F, and it will bring up this little search box. So I'm going to type body. Just going to type this in, and this will take me to the closing body tag. So I'm going to paste my other line of code here. So this code is a link to a file that we are also going to create. It's a JavaScript file, and inside of that JavaScript file we are going to place this code. So make sure you save this. Okay, so now we are going to go to our assets folder here, and we are going to select add new asset, and we are going to, let me just copy custom. We're going to call this new asset file custom.js. So I'm just going to copy it just to be 100% sure that I'm not misspelling anything. And I'm going to select JS and add asset. Okay, so let's find it here. Custom in our asset folder, custom.js. So in here, just paste this code, copy this. Just going to paste it here, and don't forget to save it. So now what we'll do is we'll only use this line of text. We won't use anything else. We won't come back to this. We won't come back to this theme.liquid file. So we're done with copying the main or the important code. So let's just copy this text, the no right click text. So we need to apply it to this section. So in order for us to do that, we first need to find out where this section is, or what the file name of the section is, and I think it's probably just called image with text. Let's just scroll down here. The section name here in the customizer is called image with text. So we're just going to see if it shows up here, and it's here, image with text.liquid. So remember, all of these sections in here, all of these files, all of their files are located inside of the section folder. So we got our image with text. So if you want to remove the right click feature on the entire section, we need to paste our no click text inside of our opening div for the whole section. Our opening div is this first one right here. You see there's the closing div is highlighted. So if I put that code in right here, like that. That will disable the entire section. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to save it. Okay. But that might not be what you want to do. You might just want to disable the right click on images. So, but let's just do that and let's see. Okay, doesn't work. See here in the left hand top corner, doesn't work. So I can highlight the text. I mean, my left click still works, but my right click doesn't work. And right outside of the section, the right click still works. But as soon as I go inside, I can't select anything with the right click button. So doing it this way might be fine for this section, but other sections like maybe like this, you don't want to prevent right clicking on there, or like your contact form, you don't want to prevent right clicking on there. So let's just target the image and just take a look down here. This one is also the same, doesn't have the right click feature, just between them, between the sections. So let's apply this code to the image. Okay, so this section only has one image. So you see this this tag right here, it says IMG. That's basically the image, and this is all the code, you know, for resizing, positioning the image and whatever, to make sure it works on all devices. And we just need a class name, and this image doesn't have a class name, so we'll just copy this just up until the no right click, copy, and we'll just remove this right click. Okay, we just leave it like it was when we got in here. So right after the IMG, we'll just paste this class here, and let's just add a quote at the end just to close that class name, or else we'll have problems. Let's save this and reload our page. Okay, let's go down. So if I click on here, so if I click anywhere else in this section, it will work, but not the image. And that's how you lock it. And it's that simple. And you can do it to any section, even your page. Like if you want to prevent right clicking on your entire store page, you just go into your theme.liquid file and you go to your body. Already have body in here, and you see this class name in here. You just paste the no right click right next to it, and that will basically your entire store, your entire page, every single page won't have the right click ability. Maybe you want to do that. It might not be a good idea, but now you can just add that code anyway and prevent right clicking on any element. Well, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.